Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage your eBay account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically for this video, I'm just going to do a tour on our eBay account so we can learn how to manage it. So simply, you have two main things. Either you are going to buy from eBay or you are going to sell. So basically, as a buyer, you can simply go to my eBay, and from here you will have like a general grasp on your account. So from here you will be able to change and manage whatever you would like. So this summary will show you any items, ideas for you, or what items that you recently viewed, bids and offer, etc. So basically, this is like a dashboard. Then you will find your recently viewed. So basically, this is like your history, and here you will find the deals that you have found and viewed. So basically, here in the bidding, you will be able to start like managing to find your offers that you have uh, added or the bids that you've been like bidding for some items, etc. And here you'll find purchased, and here you can start like saving some feed or saving some products. You can sell them again. Now, here if you are selling on eBay, you would have like a seller dashboard. So from here, you will be able to start listing your items, and basically you will have like also add like here we can click on sell an item. From here you can start like adding your listings. After that you can just simply go again to your for example, here you find your orders or scheduled items, and basically this is all the active listing, and basically you can like list them, and from here you can also like manage your payments method, like you can add wallets or like bank cards or like PayPal accounts or whatever. And basically you can start like managing many things. Also here in the account preferences, you will be able to find some communication preferences and some privacy settings, so you can manage communication with the clients or with people who want to buy from you, or generally the communication, for example, on eBay. So basically that's all. Thank you for watching and see you next time.